Is your garage door acting a little shaky? Sensor eyes out of place? Lights that flicker? Headaches like these need pro-level solutions. Introducing Titan Garage Doors Lincoln NE, serving the neighborhood of Beatrice and beyond. We are pros who know how to deal with these problems head-on. Safety always comes first, so do not let a faulty garage door ruin your day. With us on speed dial, you're just one call away from a fast, effective solution. Call your garage's trusty guardian. Dial 402-576-5771 today or visit www.TitanGarageDoorsLincolnNE.com for more information.